Hi Taurus! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell, Taurus, for updates. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of September. Ano yung mga paparating na mga energies and messages for Taurus? Ano yung mga gabay for Taurus for the month of September? The Emperor. Okay. Stable and solid foundation, no? Magkakaroon ka ng stability sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Para magkakaroon ka ng direksyon para sa sarili mo. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, there will be a promotion, level up, no? Ng inyong posisyon sa trabaho. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Ayan. Yung iba sa inyo, there will be structure, you will be goal-oriented, okay? Para sa future mo, para sa sarili mo, okay? For the month of September, ano pa yung mga energies and messages for Taurus? Okay. Okay, the moon. The sun. Okay. Good. And the Page of Wands. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung ano tong mga to. So, the moon. Merong illumination sa iyong path, sa inyong direction. Kung before, you are uncertain, parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung path na para sa inyo or kung ano yung mangyayari sa inyo, okay? Merong awakening, okay? Illumination. Or illumination is yung pagkakaroon ng kaliwanagan, no? Sa inyong sitwasyon, okay? May mga information also for some of you that will be revealed na magbibigay sa inyo ng what do you call this, ng direction, okay, on where to go. So, you will be releasing your fears or uncertainty in the month of September. Ano tong the moon? Bakit may the moon? Okay, Ten of Pentacles. Yes. There will be a direction para sa inyo. Magkakaroon kayo ng kaliwanagan. Makahanap kayo ng mga ways. How to succeed in life or sa trabaho mo to. Okay, the Magician. You will know what to do. Okay? Malalagpasan mo to kung ano man to mga blockages na to na nagpapa-cloud or yung parang hindi ka makapag-isip ng maayos. Ma-overcome mo to, Taurus, because you know kung ano yung kakayahan mo. You will have the abilities, no? The skills, okay? You will be using your initiatives, your talents, para makaahon kayo nito sa darkness, okay? Yeah. There will be progress, okay? You will be financially secured. You will be taking the lead of your life, no? Para sa sarili mo, para sa family mo. There will be financial security. Okay? So, para magiging clear ang path na yon para sa inyo, it will be opened up to you. It will be opened up for you. So, tingnan natin, 8 of Cups, kung ano to. Okay. 9 of Wands. Yes. Yeah, for some of you, you are really ready to move on, okay? There is a desire for you to move on. You are ready, okay? Meron kayong kakayahan to move forward, okay? And to reach kung ano yung life purpose mo, okay? Sometimes you are feeling defensive, no? Or vulnerable. But then, ang importante, meron na kayo ngayong kakayahan para nakagather na kayo ng strength for you to move forward, to reach your dreams, to chase your dreams. Okay? Yeah, the Fool. You are open to possibilities, Taurus. Yeah, you are really ready. You are manifesting your dreams. Okay? You are making things happen. Kung ano yung gusto mong gagawin mo ngayon, Taurus. Mayroon kang kakayahan, abilidad, no? Para magawa mo yon. Okay? It's like nagkaroon ng illumination yung path nyo. Magkakaroon kayo ng direction. Where to go. Okay? The Sun. Tingnan natin. Yes, kaliwanagan, happiness, no? You will be receiving joy, vitality, happiness that is well-earned and well-deserved. Tingnan natin. Oh, King of Pentacles and the Empress. Wow. Okay. Tugatog ng success. Yeah, for some of you, you are ready. Okay? Parang kung ano man yung mga opportunities na binibigay or meron kayo, no? Accept it confidently because you have the Midas touch. Yung para bang kung ano yung gagawin mo, nagiging successful siya. Meron kayong kakayahan na ganun. Okay? So, you will be full of creativity, no? Abundance, prosperity. Okay? This is the time for you to shine. Yes. Yeah, when it comes to your finances, hindi ka magkakaroon ng problema, okay? You will have the capability. Meron kayong kakayahan to provide. Magkakaroon kayo ng kakayahan to provide for you, not only hindi lamang sa iyo, kundi sa pamilya mo. Okay, and to other people na kailangan yung tulong mo. Page of Wands, let's see. Page of Wands, Yeah, okay. Yeah, you are looking forward para sa future, kasaganahan. Again, things are looking good for you. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Parang ready na kayo, no? To pursue your goals and your dreams. May mga exciting endeavor ka na gagawin. Okay? May mga opportunities. And at the same time, you are also ready kung ano man yung mga challenges na yon. You are planning kung ano yung mga next move mo. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, may bago kayong direksyon na tatahakin. Maybe creative ventures, no? So, lalabas ang inyong creativity dito. Yeah. May mga opportunities na magbibigay sa inyo ng direksyon and kasaganahan, and at the same time, okay, it can even provide you parang steady income. Nice. So this September, you will be building structure sa buhay mo. Okay? Parang magkakaroon na ng direksyon, magkakaroon ng stability, no? Solid foundation. Yung direksyon, yung buhay mo, Taurus. Okay? Magkakaroon ng illumination. Okay? Kung dati parang hindi mo alam, you don't know where to start, or parang malabo pa yung direksyon para sa inyo, now, you will know. Okay? You will be enlightened. You will be spiritually guided for this. Okay? For Taurus. Yeah, you are, ayan no, parang ipopursue mo yung dreams, no? You are excited about it. Okay? You will be pursuing your goals, your dreams. Parang hindi pwede sa inyo na ganun lang or hanggang dyan lang kayo, no? Merong, progress sa inyong situation. Merong pagbangon at the same time. Okay? Yeah. Happiness and vitality, no? There is a light at the end of the tunnel, no? From darkness to lightness. Okay? Kung magkakaroon ng kasagutan ng inyong mga sufferings, most especially kung tungkol to sa iyong kaperahan, sa inyong trabaho, no? Or career. Okay? Taurus. Yeah. Hand. In need of help, assistance, and guidance. Okay. Additional message for Taurus. Shield. You need to defend yourself. Okay, that is for some of you. October. Maybe in the month of October, no? Something good. Or mga, you will be receiving, what do you call this? Mga good events na mangyayari in the month of October. Okay? May mga important na mga happenings na mangyayari sa October. Rooster. An arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Okay? Merong someone, you may be encountering someone na mayabang, no? Or arrogant. Okay? So, you know what to do already, Taurus. Iwasan yung mga taong ganyan. Tingnan natin. From the spirit message, ano yung message for Taurus? Taurus. Make sure you don't start seeing yourself through the eyes of those who don't value you. You need to know your worth even when others don't. You are not what people think of you. Okay? Yeah. Additional message from the angel. Know your worth. Taurus, yung mga capabilities mo. Ibalik mo yung dating sigla sa sarili mo. Donations, tithing, and charitable work. Give joyfully to the organizations and people who spiritually support and inspire you. And know that your generosity will be returned to you manifold in miraculous ways. This time, or the time, supplies, money, or other resources you donate will ensure that your positive energy multiplies. Okay? So, share also. Taurus, share your blessings. Alright? So, These are the messages for you. All the best. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.